welcome back to the channel, and we are doing a review on a headset. This is the HG04, this little baby here, and it's a, it says here, a wireless gaming headset, and it's from a company called NUBWO. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but that's what it says up there, NUBWO, or NUBWO, yeah, NUBWO, yes. Wireless gaming headset, yeah, from NUBWO. Now, key points I need to highlight: multi-scenario usage, gaming, entertainment, and daily use, dual mode connection, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless. And it has built-in 3 EQ sound modes, and we are going to be testing them, and hopefully it is as good as what they're claiming it to be. Now it says here, 1 year warranty, 24/7 customer support, easy returns and replacements, support at NUBWO or nubwotech.com. Let's check it out, shall we? Nice bit of packaging, you know, shows you what model it is, shows you a picture of what it looks like, got the information on the side, more information on the back, or just different scenarios in which you may want to use it or not. Cut that off or break the seal. So instructions: wireless gaming headset, so that will show you how to connect it all, including the two different ways, the 2.4 or the Bluetooth, whatever you're going to be using. So we have quite a long lead for, oh I see, so we have USB Type-C to jack plug connection. Was that 2.5 millimeters or 3.5? I think that's a 3.5 millimeter one. Looking at that, yeah, it's a 3.5. We also have USB Type-C connection and the USB standard and an adapter of some sort. That'd be for your wireless. So that'd be your 2.4 wireless connection. So USB, and if I pull that off, it's USB Type-C underneath. Perfect. They've thought of everything, haven't they? Yeah, perfect. I like that. It's a good idea. It's a good idea you've got the adapter, so you've got the choice whether you're using USB Type-C or standard USB. And you can plug that in direct as well, looking at that, or use jack plug connection. Right, headphones. Headphones, oh, they look nice, don't they? They look all white. Get that off. They feel quite soft actually. Even the plastic doesn't feel harsh. Feels nice and smooth. Nice bit of padding. Whether they make your ears sweat, we will find out. Nice bit of padding for your head. They're foldable, as you can see. Yeah. Bendable. I'm not going to try and do what some YouTubers do, see if they can break them or not. Now we have on the side power on, volume adjustment, and what is this? I can't read that. What is that? All right, 4G or Bluetooth. It says 4G Bluetooth. It's on Bluetooth at the moment, and your USB, that will be for charging them up. And a mute button. Nice. Now how does this work? It comes down. It has a locking position. See that? Won't go beyond that position now. And I can feel like a gear when you're moving it around. You can feel the little notches. What if they light up? Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, left and right. That's handy. So they'll go on something like that. I'll show you in a second. But let's see if she powers up. See if she's got enough juice in there. Turn it on. Hold the button in for a few seconds, I'm guessing. No? Try that again. Oh, it said power on Bluetooth mode. Yep, perfect so far. Now, I do have Bluetooth already on my PC, so I could use that, but I'm assuming that someone's going to say, oh, Yorkie, can you try this for us, please? Well, of course I can. So I will try this first, see if this works. So give me a second while I plug her in. Before I plug her in, I thought I'd better point out it's got this LED display on it. So when it's charging, it's red, and when it's fully charged, it goes blue, as you can see. And I'll show it on the other camera. See that? Unplug it. Also, I didn't show you how to adjust them. I know it might be a bit obvious to most people, but there are people out there who think, oh, how do I adjust them? They've got two adjustments there. Now let's do a comfort check. Quite snug actually. What do you think? Yeah, very snug. It'd be interesting to find out whether you start sweating after a few hours. I am going to try them on a bit of gaming in a second, but before we do that, we need to connect it, not through Bluetooth, for the 2.4. Let's flick the switch over, 2.4. Now where's the little dongle? Here's the little dongle. I'm going to plug that into my PC. Hopefully she works. Should do. Turn her on. Where's the on button again? Down there. It says it's connected. So first things first, I'm going to have a listen to a bit of YouTube. Let's see what I can get up here. Can you see that? Now when I adjust the volume, it goes down there. Hopefully you can see that. Now, something I've noticed already, clarity of audio is very good, and yeah, it comes out quite loud at the beginning because I didn't have the volume adjusted properly on the actual computer. Because normally I use a dial on a different device, so you know, I don't normally wear headphones because they normally make your ears sweat, and you can't hear the doorbell neither. Do I look cool? Right, so plugging it in, and oh, we've got a blue light. I didn't notice that neither. I don't know if you can see that. You should be able to see that. Yeah, there's a little blue light to show it's got power and it's working, and it also tells you on the headphones as well that it's connected. So what I do now, because someone could say, well, what's it say on Bluetooth then? Let's find out, shall we? So, unplug that. Let's bring my monitor back in. Hopefully you can see that. Turn the camera a little bit. Bluetooth with my keyboard. Bluetooth, other devices. Let's have a look. Ready, flicker over. Bluetooth mode, it's just told me. It should come up in a second. Add device. Bluetooth, let's have a quick look. Couldn't find, oh, I ain't turned it on. That would help, wouldn't it? I turned it on. Let's have a look. Bluetooth. Show all devices. Come on. Right, do I need to turn it off first and then turn it back on? Let's flick the switch over again. I wouldn't have thought so. It's flashing white there as well. And turn it off. So that's off. Turn it on. Bluetooth mode. Ah, there she is. HG04. That baby there, connecting. Right, it's connected. Done. Close that. Get my video back up. Make sure I can hear it okay. Yeah, very good. Well, very good so far. Mic test. And we need to find out how good the mic is. So I am recording onto this mic, not my normal mic. That's why I've unplugged it. Hopefully it comes out nice and clear, and hopefully the audio is really good. Hopefully. There's a lot of hopefullys here. Right, what do you think? I am playing Delta Force, and it's an Android game that's running on Windows PC. Yeah, very clever. And yeah, so far so good. I'm going to have a little play and see how I get on. Ah, I'm down. Right, so I know someone's going to ask me, how do you do the different modes? And I'm going to quickly show you. Apparently, you have to press the mute button twice. So, to mute the mic, you press it once. To change mode, you press it twice. Have a listen. I'm going to do it. Move the mic out of the way. And you should be able to hear it, hopefully, anyway. So, 2 presses.
Music mode. Movie mode. Game mode.
Did you hear that? Music mode, game mode, movie mode. And yeah, you can hear a difference, especially on the music side. There's more, it's more vibrant, more bass, you know, nice bit of treble. Yeah, it's really, really good bit of music actually. And when you're listening to gaming mode, yes, you have it in gaming mode. It's more, it's what? How would I say it? It's probably more treble in there, so you can hear people, especially if you want to talk to them as well. Yes, it's very clever. The other thing I found, it does dual mode, so you can use 2.4 and Bluetooth at the same time. Yeah, just in case you want to try it out. So you will have to read the instructions on that. And also you can answer telephone calls apparently. And again, it's quite easy to do. You just press the power button quickly and it will answer the phone call for you, and then you can talk to the person. I haven't been trying it long enough to find out if it makes your ears sweat or not. I did try it for a couple of hours and it seemed to be fine, but then it's quite cool in this room at the moment. You know, really need to make the room nice and hot just to see if it makes your ears sweat. But I couldn't get it to, you know, say, oh, Yorkie, you need to give your ears a rest. It just seemed to be very comfortable. And I'm not just saying that. Yeah. And I do talk funny when I talk through the mic. Don't ask me why, I just do. I've always been like that. I always sound a bit different when I'm talking through the mic. But the mic sounds okay. I wouldn't say it's fantastic, but it sounds okay. So with that, link in the video description below in case you decide you want to buy one. They might be affiliated links, but they don't cost you any more money whatsoever. Just give me a little tiny kickback to say, oh, Yorkie, well done, you're pointing someone in the right direction. And I mean a little kickback. And look out for any discount codes. I'm not saying I will have any, I'm not saying I won't. But if I can get you one, it'll be in the video description below. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell for notifications. Have a good one. I'm going to get back to a bit of gaming now, I think.